These are my two girls. This is Wednesday, and this is Romy, and they are both rescues from Puerto Rico. Hi, my name is Liz Secord, and I live in the Belnord on the Upper West Side of Manhattan. My husband Adam grew up here. We raised two children here. We're very lucky because many of the elements of the original apartment are still here. We decided to renovate after we bought the apartment a few years ago. This room that we're in used to be a maid's room. It was a very awkward shape because it had a little bathroom in the center of it. You know, we always wanted to be able to use it. And I wanted to have a room which would be able to show off some of the artwork that my son Sasha's been making. We had it in other parts of the house and it just really got lost, so I thought this would be a wonderful opportunity to really see it. I love it because it's so playful and colorful and innocent. I had hired Soft Firm, who initially did the kitchen, and we were so lucky that they were willing to come back and do this room. Lexi Chen loved the pink. She felt that one of the best colors to complement the pink would be an olive green. And being a shameless martini drinker, I see a lot of Cerignola olives. So I'm very familiar with that really beautiful bluish olive color. And fortunately, they agreed with me. The prior incarnation of the kitchen was the bane of my existence because I love to cook. There was no counter space. We had like a shelf underneath that was piled on top of old bricks. And that was my storage. I would be hauling stuff, out of the closets. One of my dreams come true was literally just having a dishwasher. Having counter space, being able to have drawer space, cabinet space, like right there. So it was my mother-in-law's idea, in her very organized way, to have an arch put between the place where food was prepared and cooked and the place where people would hang out and sit. One of the great things that Soft Firm did with the arch was they recreated it. And the other thing that I thought, if there could be a banquette, there was all this space behind the table that was being completely lost. Everyone loves that banquette. I've noticed that people are like fighting to sit on So anyway, just hanging out in the kitchen, listening to the radio, having the dogs nearby, paying bills, cooking something for dinner, getting stuff done. It's like my room. It was always my room, but now it's my room in a different way.